Hello and welcome to another daily update by Market Intel. If you register on our website, you can get access to free Elliott-Wave updates every single day. I am on this website right now, dailymarketupdate.com. Just feel free to use the link in the description and then you get access to free daily Elliott-Wave updates about oil, the stocks, cryptocurrencies, the S&P 500, NASDAQ and gold. And today we want to talk about a cryptocurrency. And I'd like to talk about Cardano because Cardano has moved a little bit in the last few days. We've seen in the last couple of days that the sentiment seems to get a little bit more positive in the crypto market. And Cardano is currently in one of our support zones in our trading area. And we want to take a look at how probable it is that Cardano is already turning around. It has been in a pullback now since December and might have seen the low in the current pullback area. So we are going to take a look at that long-term chart and the short-term chart in a minute. First of all, let's take a look here at the website. When you register here on the dailymarketupdate.com website, you can get access to these updates every day. And you can see the written update about all of these cryptocurrencies and the other asset classes, including the short-term and the long-term support and resistance areas, if there are any that are relevant. So let's take a look at the 2-day chart first. This is the long-term outlook, and it gives you an idea of where we are in the overall cycle on the Cardano chart. You can see that long-term, ADA has formed a wave 1, which is the first bullish wave in a 5-wave Elliott-Wave cycle. And this wave 1, highlighted here in green, topped in 2021 in the bull market that was early in 2021. And then in the second half of 2021, we had this overshooting B wave in magenta. What does that mean? Well, that means that actually the cycle top formed early in 2021 and the second high was simply an overshooting B wave, which indicates long-term bullishness because it happened on the daily time frame, or in this case, we take a look at the 2-day chart. But it indicates bullishness. These overshooting B waves often happen in the crypto market. They are quite common. And yes, we've seen a new all-time high end of 2021, but from an Elliott-Wave cycle point of view, this was just an overshooting corrective B wave. And the entire correction highlighted here as wave 2 is likely still unfolding. And you can see that the correction is consisting of an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. There is critical resistance long-term at $2.51, which obviously is the wave 1 high, and a break above that level would confirm the unfolding of a third wave, which should take us into the area of $4 and beyond for the all-time high. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. This is quite interesting. Here we can see that looking at the shorter time frame, ADA has been in, let's say a corrective rally now for a while. And we see the current rally as just a corrective wave. So it's a corrective wave, which we call a wave 4, which should still lead to a wave 5 sell-off afterwards. And just to give you another overview here, on the 2-day chart, it shows that the wave 2 correction, so basically the correction that started early 2021, is likely not completed. There are some cryptocurrencies which fairly clearly have completed their bear market, have completed their overall correction. The bear market low is already in. Whereas for ADA, our primary scenario is that we see another low. So looking at the shorter time frame again, you can see that here, while it is technically possible that the low is already in, it would take additional evidence. And the overall structure that developed since the October low last year, it just doesn't give us much confidence, and we see it rather as a C wave of a larger fourth wave, which would result in another wave 5 sell-off. At the moment, you can see that in this move to the upside, a wave 3 of C, magenta wave C, is another corrective rally. This wave 3 topped end of last year. Then we had a very complex WXY correction. And here, this shows a trading area. It's located between 44.3 cents and 55.1 cents. And it's a potential long trade area that people can use to look for long positions. The price is currently still in the area. It's just trying to break out of it to the upside. And as I said, I mean, it is technically possible that the overall bear market low is already in. And for anybody who wants to, at least consider that potential that the low is already in, I'm talking about the bear market low, for everybody who would like to play that possibility, could also add a position in this blue area. Now, we're not telling you to do this. You obviously have to decide that for yourself, but it is a zone that was communicated as a potential reversal zone in which the price can find support. And we already see a positive reaction to the 50% retracement level here of the third wave. And that's at 44.3 cents. So in the next stage, we expect the price to rally higher, break above the swing highs from end of last year. Here, 64 cents is a critical resistance level, but it's actually a bit of a range there. We have a lot of previous swing highs in that area, but a break above 64 cents should send the price into the region between 80.4 and 88.9 cents into this magenta target area for wave 5 of C of 4. From here, we expect a reversal in our primary scenario, and the price should then, in this decline, break below 64 cents and eventually complete this entire correction, which started early 2021. So that's my update about Cardano. Hope you enjoyed the update. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.